Alright, today doing my unboxing of this garden kneeler. People like me and maybe yourself, got my garden shoes on. We have trouble getting up and down sometimes. So I had to get this garden kneeler. It's supposed to be like a nice seat and help you kneel with some cushiony pads. So let's open it up. Handy dandy knife that's looks like a gun for some reason, but couldn't find my box cutter. Local kids cheering me on apparently. Alright, got the pad, got the special pad. Alright, this is the thing that attaches to it from a brand called Aimerla. Gardening gloves, instructions. And this is my favorite part, a tote. You pay extra for the tote and you pay extra for the cushion. But when I did my review, people highly recommended that you get these two, even though this comes with a pad and it's 10 inches by 14, so it's one of the biggest ones. So if you go to kneel on it, look at that, how nice is that? Very cushiony. And then when you work and you need a break, that's pretty cool. I like everything. In a couple weeks, check back, I'll tell you how it goes, but it has everything I need. This thing holds 350 pounds. That gives me about 50 pounds in excess. Hope you enjoyed the video.